Harrisburg City officials are facing pushback from some members of the community after they told dozens of people living in a homeless encampment to move out. Thanks so much for joining us for Fox 43 News First at 4. I'm Alyssa Kratz. Fox 43's Harry Lee has more on the city's plans to help those being displaced find housing.
The more than 50 people who live here must move somewhere else. That's what Harrisburg City officials say following a recent spike in crime and health hazards at the Mulberry Street Bridge encampment.
This was not something that we wanted to do, but we had to because it was a critical moment.
Officials say since November, the block has gotten 16 separate emergency calls for multiple drug overdoses, assaults, prostitution, and a homicide. They say most of those crimes were not committed by occupants, but rather by other people coming into the encampment. In addition, dozens of large, aggressive rats have prevented sanitation workers from clearing trash. Officials are asking occupants to leave here by Thursday. They then say this whole area will be cleared and sanitized. After facing some initial criticism over the move, officials clarified plans to help the people who are being asked to leave. They include resources to find stable housing and health care. For those who refuse those resources, officials are also planning a relocation area, though the location won't be disclosed publicly.
We care about our clients, our homeless family, as I would any of my friends. And if I know that there's criminal activity around them, we're going to take the same kind of action that we are when we're looking at our homeless individuals.
The Capital Area Coalition on Homelessness says in the longer term, they're working to better coordinate volunteers.
Some of the things that have been really difficult to manage is that we have food rotting on the streets because many groups want to feed people. And I think we need that. We just need it coordinated.
Harry Lee, Fox 43 News.